Hey there folks, HVAC Repair Guy here. Today we're taking two heavy hitters in the forced air gas furnace world and putting them head to head. We're looking at the ACiQ G96VTN and the Goodman GM9C96. Both are solid choices for heating your home, but which one actually earns its keep in your utility room? Let's break it down using the cold hard facts. First up, efficiency. Both of these models are sitting pretty at 96% AFUE. That means 96 cents of every dollar you spend on gas is actually turning into heat for your house. Now, look at the blowers. The ACiQ G96VTN uses a variable speed blower motor. That's top shelf tech for keeping your airflow smooth and quiet. Goodman's GM9C96, on the other hand, uses a multi-speed ECM motor. It's efficient, but it doesn't have that same granular control you get with ACiQ's variable speed setup. Moving on to the internal guts. Both of these are two-stage gas furnaces, meaning they can run at a lower, quieter setting when it's just a bit chilly and kick into high gear when the North Pole decides to move into your backyard. But here's a difference. The ACiQ model features a variable speed inducer motor. The Goodman GM9C96 uses a two-stage inducer. That variable speed inducer on the ACiQ gives you just a bit more precision in how that furnace breathes. Now, before we get into the warranties, which is where things get really interesting, I want to hear from you. If you had to choose right now, based on what you've heard, would you go with the variable speed ACiQ or stick with the name brand Goodman? Drop your choice in the comments below and tell me why. I'm reading every single one. So let's get a conversation going. All right, let's talk protection. Both brands give you a 10-year parts warranty and a lifetime heat exchanger guarantee. But check this out. ACiQ offers a 5-year no-hassle unit replacement. If that heat exchanger fails in the first 5 years, they replace the whole unit. Goodman ups the ante here though. They offer a 10-year unit replacement guarantee. That's double the peace of mind time if the heart of your furnace quits on you. One last thing to consider. You can buy ACiQ furnaces online through HVAC Direct, and you don't strictly need a dealer to get your hands on one. Goodman units are available in the USA and Canada, but they generally require dealer installation. And while both are made in North America, Goodman in the USA and ACiQ in Mexico, ACiQ uses aluminized steel heat exchangers, whereas Goodman uses their dual diameter tubular stainless steel heat exchanger. So what's the final verdict? If you want the absolute best airflow tech and the convenience of online buying, the ACiQ G96VTN is a great budget-friendly pick. But if I'm putting my reputation on the line, my final pick is the Goodman GM9C96. That 10-year unit replacement warranty and the stainless steel heat exchanger are just too hard to beat for long-term reliability. This is HVAC Repair Guy. Stay warm out there.